Hey everyone. I've had some people email me with some confusion about the worksheet today when we get to this section, which is on the back of the paper when you get it. So I'm going to show you how to make this happen. So you'll see that it tells you what object to place on the cart. You want to know the total mass and then the force needed to get it moving at 5 meters per second. So I'm going to hop over to the interactive. So this is what you should see. The first thing you want to make sure of is that you've selected all of these boxes. It's kind of annoying because you have to do this every time you're going to set this up. So you'll have to just make sure those boxes are clicked every time. So if I look back at the instructions, I'm just looking for the box. And if I come back over to the simulation, it tells me the box has a mass of 50 kilograms. So I'm going to come back over here and I would put 50 kilograms right here. And then for the force needed to get it moving at 5 meters per second, all you're going to do is you're going to use this arrow. So I have my cursor on this arrow, this single arrow, and I'm going to click that and hold it. And I'm going to watch the speed, which is up here. And when it gets to 5, I'm going to look at what was the applied force. So I've got my force values selected. I'm going to click this arrow. I'm pushing and holding. You see how the speed now says 1.9, 2.8. I'm going to get to 5, and it was right there. I let go as soon as I saw 5, and I could see that the applied force was 74 newtons. So I would come over here and I would type 74 newtons. The second thing we're going to do is come back and we're going to do the box with the girl. So you'll come back over here. I'm going to pause this, hit reset. Again, this is annoying because it has unclicked all my boxes. I have to click it all again. I've got the box on here. I'm going to add the girl. I set her up there and I repeat the process. So I click and hold this arrow until I see 5 meters per second up here on the speed. And as soon as I see 5 meters per second up here, I'm going to let go. And then the arrow that's going to represent the force is going to tell me how much force it took to get this mass to move at 5 meters per second. Hopefully that helps to understand that part. I hope to see you guys tomorrow.